All right, so terminal integrated Mac option is meta. So controls whether to treat the option key as the meta key in the terminal on Mac OS. So I actually was playing around with this, and now I can't turn this setting off. So if I write something, one of the ways to know if the option key is working as a meta key is that you can press option and actually let me turn on screencast mode. So if you press option and backspace, you will delete the whole word, right? So whoops, let me place the cursor on the terminal and play option backspace deletes the whole word instead of just deleting one single character, and that's how you know that the option key is working as the meta key. Now I have this set to false, and I have restarted VS Code, and it's still working as a meta key. Now I really don't mind because it's actually useful, but in case you didn't know, on the regular terminal you can come to the preferences, profiles, keyboard, and you have use option as meta key, right? So if this is disabled, when you write something out and you press Control backspace, it's not going to do anything except deleting one single character. But if you set the option to use option as meta key, now if you press option backspace, you delete the whole word, right? So this is fine, and even though I can't turn this off, I wouldn't want to anyway, so I'm going to just leave this setting to true.